Hi everyone, welcome to the prototype presentation for Team Hokkien Mee is back. So we choose case study 2, which is focusing on smart subscription and customer experience optimization. So in today's AI-driven world, compute tokens are the currency of the future. As what NVIDIA CEO Jensen Huang recently highlighted, tokens are now the core economic unit of the AI era, which essentially the new money printing mechanism for businesses. To help users maximize this new currency, we have developed an all-in-one platforms that managed by a central orchestrated agents that oversees 5 specialized sub-agents. So basically, I'm the data architect and agent developer for our team. So I built our core data infrastructure by using Supabase and alongside with value realization copilot. So many users unknowingly burn through their token limits simply because they are lack of prompt engineering skills. So our copilot actively querying the database to analyze a user past AI inputs. When it detects an inefficient prompting, it will proactively intervene by generating a custom templates and in-app tutorials. This will teach us the users how to optimize their querying on the fly and preventing token waste and maximize their ROI. Like for example, here in our screen. So basically, the agent will tell the user on the things on the prompting that they can optimize in the future, so that they can optimize the tokens that have been used by them.
Now, let's move on to our next key feature, the AI analysis engine for monitoring the subscription businesses. Here, we have an AI value score, which determines the engagement level of the subscribers and also whether they are getting their money's worth out of it. It's ranked with 5 different metrics, which are the customer health, which means how often customers show up and whether they complete meaningful work. Feature adoption, which means how much of the product they are actually using compared to what they are paying for. The token usage, whether the token consumption produces meaningful work rather than simply high usage. Churn prediction, the likelihood that a subscriber will cancel within the next 90 days. And lastly, the CRV prediction, the estimated customer lifetime value and the revenue each subscriber is expected to generate for the business. So every analyzer can be expanded to show the working logic behind. Then we also have our token optimization agent. Basically, our agent will capture the usage across different models, as you can see over here, and also the task distribution. And below are the insights that can be applied to increase our monthly savings, the token efficiency scoring, and also the overall AI score. So you can toggle between these applied to see how much money you will worth by applying these recommendations.
So hi everyone. So the next part of this project is the multi-agent orchestrations and the action workflow. So in the command center here, we can see that we can view the customer's profile, like their overview scores in here where we select customers, and we can see the health score, the AI value score, and the churn risk. So instead of showing every subscribers, our system identifies the customer who are most worth acting on. So for each selected customers, several agents analyze different signals. For example, like account contacts, product usage, AI token usage, churn risk, and customer value. So this output are combined into one recommendation, such as a win-back sequence, a targeted offer, a plan change, or token optimization. So the system also explains the decisions, like explanation of every decision it makes it not like a black box. So from there, we can see the action queue helps the team focus on the priority cases. So for example, like low risk actions can be actually taken, approved in batches. Like if we click in batch, we can select in batch of which are the low risk action that we want to approve. For high risk actions, user can actually monitor and see the plans that are planned by the AI agents after all those workflows, like contacts usage agent, token agent, and the churn risk and the value. And it gives like some evidence so that the user can know what is actually happening and why the AI decides this way. So here there is a date where user can select the approval date, and they can just reject or approve. So for example, where user approve it, so it will schedule a 14 days tracking to actually continuous monitoring the signals to actually track engagement and outcome to improve itself. So that's all for the multi-agent orchestrations and the action queue.
Judges, I implemented the customer interaction retention layer instead of treating every customer concern as a cancellation case. The portal combines the customer current plan, usage profile, token efficiency, value score, and direct feedback to recommend the most suitable actions. So in this case, you can see that the current plan is Pro, which is 99 ringgit per month. The value score is 42 out of 100. Usage decline 65%. Token efficiency, which is moderate. So in this scenario, that as the AC Lab is currently subscribed to the Pro plan, but its usage has dropped significantly, the system will now evaluate whether the customer should maintain, downgrade, upgrade, pause, optimize, or cancel the subscriptions. So let's review the usage. Okay, let me type. I am not using it enough, and the plan is too expensive. Let me analyze the options. So based on the customer's low usage and price concern, the decision logic recommends moving from a pro plan to a starter plan. An agent then will convert the decision into a customer-facing response. It generates emphatic explanation, a personalized offer, and also follow-up email preview, which you can see here. Okay, so when we switch to starter as the suggestion, we'll approve it. So we see that the plan has changed from pro to starter plan, and the price is declined from 99 ringgit a month to 59 ringgit a month. Yeah, and here is the entire stuff. So when we refresh, actually it allows the user to restore the previous plan, as some of the users or customers they might regret. So yeah, let me go through this. And yeah, and it will be revert back to the pro plan that we previously did. So now we choose another company account as the demo case. So this is using a starter plan, which is 59 ringgit per month. So let me review the plan. And when I ask him to do a review, this review, which can best fits our activity. So when I analyze the options, the second scenario proves that the recommendation is not hard-coded to always downgrade customers. So Vertex Dev have a high product adoptions, positive usage growth, and high token efficiency. Therefore, the same plan advisor recommend upgrading from starter to pro because the team is actively using the service and main benefits from the additional capacity and features. So it will suggest you to upgrade from starter to pro with a 40 ringgit more per month subscriptions. So it will also let you to use more advanced models, largest context videos, windows, and also the team analytics features. So when we sim, it will go through a preview. And when we switch to pro, just as the suggestion, we'll see what happens. So yeah, the plan was upgraded to a total. So that's all from me. Thank you.